Okay, what's up guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. So today I'll be showing you something that I kind of noticed. It was random, not planned, but I thought it was interesting to share on this channel. So I have a phone screen that I kind of replaced, but let me show you. Okay, so here is the screen of the phone. It was cracked, so I replaced it. But something today I found it interesting to just tinker around and see what it looks like. And one thing I noticed, it is not just the screen, like screen moja hivi wenye iko sahi. It has like a lot of layers to it, and that's what I kind of wanted to show you guys. So as you can see, this is the first layer. So there's this one, the screen that you touch, this one. Now this is part that you touch, and this is the back of it. So between that and this one, there is a lot of, I think, sticky glue, very sticky by the way. As you can see, even right now, after like months of not being used, it is still sticky. So, and now there's this black part between after the screen that you touch. Okay, and now here are some of the other layers, not in any particular order, but let me show you. So there's that one, the one I've showed you. There is this one. So as you can see, this is kind of reflective, and this is the one that has like all the serial numbers on the back. Okay, and then there's this one. This paper, it's blue in color. So this is the one that goes on here, you can see. And then there's another one. This is a bit hard. As you can see here, it goes here because it has all these connectors and everything. Okay, and then there's this one. It's white and it's very light. And then there's this one. It's kind of shiny, as you can see, very shiny. And then there's this one also. This is not even the last one. There's this one. It's a bit transparent, but as you can see, because it's cracked, it comes somewhere between in this the front sides, and you can see. And then lastly, there's this paper. As you can see, this one, it has also the connector, so it is among the ones that go into the connecting and everything. So let's see how many layers we can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 layers just for the screen to work. And yeah, that's quite interesting. That's quite interesting. So if you work in this industry and you know any of the uses of all these films and everything, I'd be happy to know. So let's talk about that in the comment sections. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.